is it? Yeah. I got church tomorrow and supposed going to dinner. And even I'm supposed to be going out. I may be going out for dinner. I'm not sure. Yeah. Church, and then I'm going to meet Junior. I'm going to Junior's church. Junior's church. No, it's like Greenwich. Yeah. Yeah. No. You know her mom just died, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, she died. Cancer. Not too old, mate. Not too old at all. Very nice. Yeah. Time ago. Yeah, it's the week of my birthday. So it's madness, yeah.